I wake up at 6:50 a.m. I go and wake the family up. I get my dog and I take her outside for a walk. I come back in, I drink 4 cups of water, warm water to flush my system. I get into the shower, I get out, get groomed, take my son to school. I go to the gymnasium, then I go to the Beltline like I'm on now. I may record a YouTube video from time to time. I leave, I go get a cup of coffee from the coffee shop. After that, I'm going home to work on my craft, to do presentations, check emails, check on my books, that sort of thing. After that, I go to the grocery store. I go shopping for dinner, basically every day. I come home, I cook dinner. I wash the dishes while I'm cooking dinner. By this time, my family is returning home. I pick my son up. I serve him dinner. I serve my wife dinner. I clean the dishes. I clean the floors. Then it's time to walk the dog again. I'm basically walking 10,000 plus steps per day. Usually 14,000 steps is my average. By the time I finish walking the dog, it's time to shower and go to bed and press repeat.